Hello everyone, I am Shravani Adabal. Today I am going to present my topic Sauerkraut fermentation. Sauerkraut is fermented food made from cabbage. It is produced by lactic acid bacteria through a natural fermentation process. It is rich in probiotics and provides many health benefits. In this presentation, I will explain what is sauerkraut, is how it's prepared, the microorganism involved in the fermentation process, and its nutritional importance. So, let us first understand what is sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is originate in China and later become popular in Europe. The word sauerkraut means sour cabbage. It is made up by shredding fresh cabbage and allowing it to ferment naturally in the presence of salt. The naturally occurring lactic acid bacteria convert the sugar in cabbage into a lactic acid. This preserves the cabbage and gives its characteristic salt taste. No starter culture is required because the bacteria are already present in the cabbage leaves. Now let us see the microorganism involved in the preparation stage. In the initial phase, gluconostock mensteroids grow first. It produces lactic acid and carbon dioxide, creating an acidic and anaerobic environment. In the maturation phase, Lactobacillus plantarum and L. berries becomes dominant. They continue producing lactic acid, which lowers the pH, preserves the food. This preparation involves three steps: shredding, salting, and massaging. First, the cabbage is finely shredded, and second, about 2 to 3% salt is mixed with the cabbage. Finally, the cabbage is massaged to release its juice, which forms the natural brine needed for a fermentation. Let us know about the fermentation timeline. This slide explains the fermentation timeline. On a day 1, the shredded cabbage is tightly packed under the brine to remove air pockets. From day 2 to day 5, active fermentation begins. Carbon dioxide bubbles are produced, which helps to remove oxygen. During week 1 to week 4, lactobacillus species become dominant and continue producing lactic acid. The fermentation is complete, when the pH reaches about the 3.5 at the stage of sauerkraut is stored in the refrigerator to maintain its quality. Chemical transformation. This slide explains the chemical changes during the fermentation process. Lactic acid bacteria convert the sugar present in the cabbage into lactic acid. In the homoformative pathway, one molecule of glucose is converted into two molecules of lactic acid along with a small amount of energy. This production of lactic acid lowers the pH about 3.5. The acidic environment prevents the growth of harmful microorganisms and naturally preserves the food. Gut health and digestion. Sauerkraut provides many beneficial and digestive health benefits. It contains live probiotic which helps to maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. It is also rich in dietary fibers which supports health, digestion and regular bowel movements. Some studies suggest that the probiotic in sauerkraut may help to reduce symptoms of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndromes or IBS. Immunity and the nutrition value. Sauerkraut is also nutritionally beneficial. It supports the immune system because a large part of our immune function is connected to the gut health. Fermentation helps preserve vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant. Sauerkraut is also nutritionally beneficial. It supports the immune system because the large part of immune function is connected to the gut health. Fermentation helps preserve vitamin C, which act as an antioxidant. Sauerkraut also contains vitamin K2, which is important for healthy bones and normal blood clotting. In the addition, fermentation improves the bioavailability of nutrients by reducing anti-nutrient factors. Importance and consideration. Although sauerkraut has a many beneficial, some precautions should be considered because salt is used during preparation. It contains high amount of sodium. People with a high blood pressure should consume it moderately. It also contains thiamine, which may interact with a certain medications such as MAQ inhibitor. Finally, to obtain the probiotic benefits, sauerkraut should be eaten raw and unpasteurized because heating can destroy the beneficial bacteria. To conclude, sauerkraut is nutritious fermented food prepared by a natural lactic acid. Fermentation. It is used to prepare, has a long shelf life, supports gut health, strengthens immunity, and provides important vitamins and probiotics. Thank you.